Hello and welcome to our video about how AI will change the future of import and export. The world is becoming increasingly interconnected, and global trade is a major contributor to this phenomenon. With the increasing number of businesses operating across the borders, it has become essential to ensure efficient and cost-effective import and export process. The integration of AI technology into global trade provides a solution to these challenges. AI technology has the potential to revolutionize logistics, quality control, custom control, communications, and decision-making process in the import and export industry, thus paving the way for a more efficient and cost-effective global trade system. In this video, we will discuss how AI technology can revolutionize the ways of importing and exporting goods. One of the ways AI technologies can change the future of international commerce is by enhancing logistics. By utilizing AI algorithms, importers and exporters can predict demand for certain products and identify optimal routes for transportation. This will enhance supply chain management, speed up delivery times, and reduce costs. A very good example of this is the price for gas that skyrocketed last winter and put the lives of many European people at hardship and caused so many damages to the region's industry, especially Germany's. With the right AI analytics of the geopolitics facts and the interpretation of military movements of Russia, as well as a risk assessment of energy-dependent countries like Germany, this crisis could have been foreseen and measurements could have been taken to minimize the damages. AI can also enhance the quality control process. By collecting and analyzing data on product quality, AI can help detect any issues before it affects the quality of the product. This will be beneficial for both exporters and importers, as it will lead to a reduction in product returns and improvements in customer satisfaction. It also reduces the lead time of production, and if done in a standard manner, could eliminate the need for PSIs and other forms of inspections. Another way AI technology can change the future of import and export is through customs control. AI machines can be used to scan products and check for compliance with regulations, leading to more efficient security checks and less time-consuming process for importers and exporters. Take Belgium, for example. It has always been Europe's hub for import and export, but recently it has become Europe's hub for drugs and narcotics as well, because only 2% of all cargoes could be manually controlled. But with AI, they can control and check up to 80% of ingoing cargoes. This could eliminate the Belgium's drug and narcotics problem. Finally, AI technology can also enhance communication and decision-making process. An AI assistant can analyze market data and help business owners make decisions about what products to import or export. Additionally, AI can assist with translation services, facilitating communication between sellers and buyers who do not speak the same language. God knows how many business deals I had to fix because an Iranian buyer just bought a ticket and traveled to a foreign country with only a translator on his cell phone and a huge amount of cash on him. He hopes to buy the product from the main source and ended up getting the wrong supplier or the wrong product due to language barriers and poor negotiation skills. That could be totally prevented if the AI-powered translator and contract makers are involved. In conclusion, AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the future of import and export. With its ability to enhance logistics, quality control, customs control, communication, and decision-making processes, AI can pave the way for a more efficient and cost-effective global trade system. Well, please know that whatever your business is, AI can help you enhance and utilize it in the best manner. So please leave me your businesses I read them and I suggest the best AI help that you can benefit from. In our channel, International Business Sense, we dedicate ourselves to giving you all the information you need, all the approaches, everything from, what commodities to trade, from what kind of approach and how to get in contact with Middle Easterns, real traders, and then how to do payments and how to resolve legal disputes and things like this, and everything you need to have a very good successful trade, whether it's import or export, with Middle Eastern traders. So that's it for today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.